Ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed great pleasure to present paper on ready-mix concrete, the way forward for 5 trillion economy. Atmanirbhar Bharat, vision of India's 5 trillion economy by promoting Make in India, Make for World. The dream of building India as a manufacturing hub worth $1 trillion can be possible only with building innovation and building competitiveness in manufacturing. In India, at present, logistic costs is approximately 18% of the cost of production against leading manufacturing hub like China at 8% and developed European Union at 10%. The benefit of low cost labor in our country is completely offset with higher logistic cost. Our government has rightfully focused on developing road, rail, airports, port connectivity and building waterways for building competitiveness through reduction of logistic cost. The cost of all these infrastructure projects can be reduced by increased speed of execution, quality of construction and sustainability of environment. The ready-mix concrete can provide higher speed of construction of the project with better consistency of product and quality as compared to most of the site mixes. All government departments must encourage uses of ready-mix concrete at all their sites. The use of RMC should be made mandatory on all civil projects throughout the country. The norms can be decided in consideration of a customer and RMC producer. RMCMA has sent a proposal to BIS recently to make use of RMC compulsory in any projects either costing more than 10 crores or having build-up area of 1 lakh square feet in metros and Tier 1 cities. The regulatory authority should implement the proposal strictly in interest of the country. Our major cities are having regular flooding in monsoon. At the same time, major cities also have a severe water crisis. To build a better rainwater harvesting system and resolving the issue of overflooding in monsoon, use of permeable ready-mix concrete can be made mandatory in parking space of large building projects. The government should encourage such innovative concrete and make it compulsory in all open parking areas of a large building constructions at the time of granting approvals or occupation certificate to any large buildings in metros. Our government has embarked upon the development trajectory by adopting the motto Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. The benefit of Vikas must be inclusive to all classes of society. In India, the shortage of 26 million houses and severe bottleneck of urban infrastructure in the major metros. The government has rightly addressed this issue with the introduction of affordable houses and also Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. The House for All is a great initiative and RMC can play a major role to build such infra at a higher speed and also at lower cost. The penetration of RMC in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities are at minuscule. As any new RMC plants in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities has a high gestation period. To overcome such challenge of increasing the penetration of ready-mix concrete in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, government should come forward with policy support and at the same time special financial support should be offered at least for 1 or 2 years in form of softer loan to RMC players for making a plant in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Similarly, in metros, where RMC penetration is reasonably high, must be given permission for long-term period in line with other manufacturing industry and also allow RMC plant to run for 24 hours in the major cities. To meet these challenges, RMC industry, construction industry, consumers and various government and statutory authorities have to work in unison. I'm sure, considering the advantage of RMC over site mixed concrete and various innovations offered by Ready-Mix Concrete for building infrastructure at most competitive rate and to make effective use of large public fund, it is considered worthwhile by all concerned to meet the challenges jointly. Thank you very much.